What's up, y'all? James Backers here, back again with another video. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this tire of mine. Went into the lumber yard to grab some stuff for the dry concrete pour, and ended up coming up with some nails. So I got one here and one here. Drilled them out. They both have air coming out. So I'm gonna do one at a time. All right, stay tuned. And you should be done. All right, so here we go. So let you guys see what the instructions say. The instructions. This is what you use to put these little pieces back in here. And this is how you clear the hole. Set this aside. Get it nice and clean. Make sure you get it real clean. Remove any objects from your tire. So remove the objects from your tire, and go to the next step. Slide the reamer in and out of your tire puncture multiple times to roughen and clean the inside of the hole. So I think it's pretty rough. Clean. Let's see. Yeah. Sliding it in and out just multiple times. Okay. Did that. Now we're gonna move on to the next step, which is putting this shindig, all right. It says remove the plug from its clear plastic backing, then thread it halfway through the eye of the plugger needle. Coat the middle of this section with the tire plug with the plug bond. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and move it. I don't know if I use the longer one or the short one. I don't know if it makes a difference. Go ahead and use this right here. It's really sticky, that's good. Okay. Remove that. Put the other ones back in the little thingamajigger. All right, now thread it through this little piece right here. Another piece of it. On the other side. Slide it through. Not real easy. Gotta just pull it. Gotta put your man Get man strength in there. Oh, excuse me. Or woman strength. All right, so I did that. Man strength or woman strength. You gotta put both of them together, man. See how it do. And it says coat the middle section of the tire. Also, I guess I coat it right here. This is like my second time doing this, y'all, so pretty good at following instructions. So we're gonna see if this product from Slime does the job. Hopefully it does. All right, so I gotta coat it. Let me see. Got it stuck in there. So I can open up this slime. Okay. So it says coat. Doesn't say be generous, don't be generous. We just gonna do it. Okay. Coat it. Coat it good. All right, so y'all think it's coated? On two of them, so I gotta save some of this stuff. All right, that's coated enough, I think. I'm not supposed to get that on my hand, and I just did. Then it says, with the plug centered in the eye of the needle, push the plugger into the tool and plug into the puncture and stop pushing when the plug is 2/3 of the way into the hole. Okay. Push it. Did I do it already? Uh-oh. Sorry, y'all. Had to show some of my strength. So I got about 2/3 of the way in there, as you can kind of see right there. I don't want to zoom in too much with my phone, that being messed up. I mean, with my, if you can see that 2/3 of the way in, okay? Now, I think you're supposed to yank it out at this point. Hold on. So I got the 2/3 in. Okay, so with the plug center, the eye needle, push start the plugger to plug into the puncture. Stop pushing when it's 2/3 of the way into the hole. Okay, got it. Pull the plugger tool straight out of the tire with a rapid motion, leaving the tire plug behind, and do not twist the needle. Okay, here goes. Let me zoom out so y'all can see everything. That's what it says to do right there. All right, here we go. I gotta stand up, y'all. My bad. Hey, got it out. Okay, so it's 2/3 of the way in there. So hopefully that did the job. J-O-B. Oh, J-O-B, not J-A-B. Okay, so then it says inflate your tire to the recommended pressure. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do, and then you guys can do the how to use the little QR code right there if y'all want to do that. But I'm gonna go ahead and plug the other one up, and then I'm gonna inflate it because they're gonna work if I only do one. So there you go. I'll come back when I do both. All right, y'all, I just wanted to show y'all I'm ready to plug the second one. The hole is right here. I already took the nail out. See if you can zoom in on that. See the hole right there? This is what's going to fill it up and put it like so. Apply some of that little bonding agent right around here and push it in. All right, I'll come be right back. All right, guys, so you can see both plugs have been plugged. On to the last step. Dirty hands. All right, last step. So it's okay, let's read the last one. Pull the plugger tool straight out of the tire with a rapid motion, leaving the tire plug behind. Do not twist the needle. Done. It says re-inflate the tire to the recommended tire pressure. Okay, I can do that. So the recommended tire pressure for this tire right here, 35 PSI, and I am done. About to plug it up. I'm about to inflate it right now. And I guess you wait for it to dry. Oh, okay. It says you can test your repair puncture for any leaks by applying a few drops of soapy water to the plug area. If bubble appears, repeat the instructions above, which means you didn't do it properly. Okay? So you do the, I mean, you could do the soapy water thing, or if you have a bucket, if you have a really big bucket or a thing like this thing right here, which I don't know if I can use, don't know if my wife's gonna let me. You see that right there? You go ahead and fill that up with some water. Place the tire inside of it. And after you place the tire inside of it, if you see bubbles coming up, that's clear as day. You see bubbles coming up, that means you still have an air leak. You see no bubbles, that means you fix your flat, your hole, and you are good to go. All right, guys, drop it in the comments. Please, I never really asked for you guys to subscribe. Please subscribe. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I know it's a lot. It's about maybe half of the people who watch my videos are not subscribed. Just go ahead and drop a subscription. It's easy. You know, it helps to support me, my family. Just go ahead and subscribe. Appreciate y'all if you like the content. If you don't like the content, put a thumbs down. If you like the content, put a thumbs up. Easy money. Comments, like, subscribe. Peace. Chase backwards. And I'm out. All right, y'all, so I just wanted to make sure that there was no holes. Of course, I did it beforehand to make sure I look like no fool on the internet. But here we go. This one's right here. Water spot. There. Okay. All right, so you gotta watch for the bubbles. And as you see, there's no bubbles coming on either side, which means the tire is plugged. I'm gonna just move it just so I get both plugs in there. And as you can see, there's no air bubbles coming out, which means the tire plug was successful. Yeah, I do see an air bubble right there though. Maybe because I just moved it. It has to be a consistent consistent thing of the bubbles, because air don't stop. So no consistency. All right, and there you go. Chase backwards, and I'm out.